Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the starting metals are amine system. First one is aniline substituted compound with side chain alkene, and second one is indole substituted compound reacting with palladium phosphide and sodium hydroxide. Further we are doing hydrolysis. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the answer involves important NaMe reaction. It's a Suzuki coupling reaction. New CC bond formation from the two alkene carbon. Normally alkene carbons are sp2 hybridized, difficult to couple. That's why this NaMe reaction is important. The boron and iodine couple there, and you have final alkene substituted product. Then you are doing hydrolysis. Hydrolysis convert ether into alcohol. Then the alcohol converted to ketone through hetoenol tautomerism. Here amine is the internal nucleophile, so condensation is possible. So new 5-member cyclic product formed there. Here the cyclization driving force is cyclic compound is stabler than linear. The driving force for the elimination is aromaticity as well as the conjugation. The final product is indole there. Here the concept you have to learn here is Suzuki coupling. Suzuki coupling involves new CC bond formation from boron and alkyl halide. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.